Rhaze here, and sorry, we will be doing the Q&A video, but before that I want to say thank you to Opinion Outpost for sponsoring this video. I'm pretty sure you guys know what that is because it's all over internet. It's basically a website where you can earn cash or gift vouchers from Amazon or iTunes. All you have to do is to participate in surveys, share your opinions, and you will get cash or gift vouchers in return. I watch a lot of YouTube videos and a lot of YouTubers share Opinion Outpost, so I have used Opinion Outpost in the past. When I was in the US, I used Opinion Outpost. They have a lot of topics from politics, makeup, food, gadgets, and also the best thing is it's for free, so you do not have to pay. And yeah, I will leave their link below, and thank you again Opinion Outpost for sponsoring this video. Okay, so on to the Q&A. I have him because I told you guys last week that he will be here. I went through all the questions last night. Maybe I was not able to go through every single question, but these are the questions that have the hashtag AskDan and AskRaze. I think I have 34 questions in here, and some questions has more than one. So why?
A lot of questions.
Yeah, there's a lot of questions. So maybe this video will be split into two. We'll see. We'll see. Are you ready, babe? How's your water?
Good.
Okay, we will start with Beth Jones. Ask Dan. Do you believe? Oh shoot, you guys, your questions are in Tagalog. I'm gonna have a hard time translating this. Do you believe in longer courtship?
Explain courtship, like exactly.
Courtship. I don't even know. We didn't have that. He didn't really court me.
You mean chasing?
Yeah, kind of, yeah. Their courtship here is different from ours, you guys. From Allison Finley. Hi, Ate Rhaze and Kuya Dan. Hello. I'm having a trouble trusting my boyfriend again after what he did. Last May, I found out that he's not telling the truth about where he went and what he did there. We fought and I spilled it out to my girlfriend. She said I need to tell you something about him. So I went to her house. Then she started to tell me what happened. So my boyfriend was always messaging her without my consent on Snapchat. Like he said, what if we had a relationship? He messaged this to the friend. WTF, you're liking someone behind my back, and worse, she's one of my best friends. Weeks had passed and I forgave him with the help of my guy friend, but now I can't let my day pass without me thinking about that incident. I don't really know what to do. He promised that he will change for the better. It's hard for me to hold on to what he said. I need some advice.
Advice time?
Yeah, go ahead.
Two options. First option, do the same to him. Start chasing his friends. What's good for him is good for her. And see how he feels. That's option one. That's option one. Okay. Option two, leave him.
Oh.
Leave him. He's trying to bang one of her friends.
No, he's not trying to bang her.
He said, what if we had a relationship to our friend? What?
Yeah.
He is. He's no good. He's a loser. Get rid of him.
Okay.
Blunt and brutal.
Okay, okay.
Okay. One subscriber lost.
I hope the boyfriend is not watching us.
Okay. Everyone's going to be told to leave their boyfriends. If Rhaze did this to me, it should be gone. If I did this to Rhaze, I'll probably be gone as well.
From Elisa Serrano, ask Dan, what will you miss about Rhaze when she get back to the Philippines?
Her cooking.
The cooking?
I'll miss Since Rhaze has been out here, I've put on weight. She's made me fat because she cooks really well. But what I'll miss about Rhaze is, see, people are gonna watch this and I know.
What? No, you don't have to answer.
Nah, let's skip.
Let's just stick with cooking.
My friends and family watch this, so I don't want to say too much.
Hey, my family watches this as well.
Yeah, but no one can understand me, so it's fine.
What do you think? My sister will understand, Mark will understand, they're all smart. My mom won't, but...
Yeah.
Okay, another Alyssa. Ask Dan, what about girls that annoys you the most? Not me. Girls in general. Yeah, in general though, not me.
I don't know, to be honest with you.
You don't?
No, nothing really gets too annoying.
You're already annoying, so maybe you're used to yourself being so annoying, so nothing really annoys you.
Nah, nothing really. I've got a lot of patience.
Yeah, he's really patient, that's true. She has another question. How to survive and be loyal in a long distance relationship?
Communication. Simple.
True.
Communication.
Yeah, we communicate every single day when we were apart.
It's two things, communication and trust. That's all you need.
Yeah.
long distance relationship. Talk regularly and trust the other person.
Yeah, I agree.
Simple.
Oh, she said how to survive and be loyal. Like, just be loyal.
Jesus.
Just be loyal. Like, you know, if you're really...
If you can't be loyal, then don't be in a relationship.
Exactly.
Be single. Have fun.
And don't be loyal.
Don't be loyal. You don't have to be loyal when you're single.
From Awesome Inc. Ask Dan, what sets Rhaze apart from your previous relationship? You don't have to answer this.
No, I honestly reckon Rhaze is the best girl that I've met so far. That's why we did this whole long-term relationship. So far, so good. We have our moments, though. But so far, so good.
Thank you.
That's alright.
From Bea Benini, career or love?
What's career?
Career.
Career?
Yeah.
I don't love.
Career? Love?
Yeah, love. Love
You
before
can
career.
do both.
Yeah, but you have to choose one or the other. You go love.
Okay.
But you need money. Money's important.
Exactly. Yeah. I know. That's what I said. You need to do both.
You got to do both, but if
You can absolutely do both. Yeah, because you're working and we're in love. I mean, I also. I have an American boyfriend for almost 2 years. The same person, by the way. I have an American boyfriend for almost 2 years. He doesn't want me to work because he's afraid that I can find someone. I already told him that I won't, and I know that I love him and won't leave him as well. We are planning to do the fiancé visa, but I am afraid that once I get there, he won't be able to finance our needs because it's just earning like $9 an hour and he doesn't have any savings at all.
Yeah, they're fucked. He should want her to work for a start. He's got to trust her that she's gonna not do anything wrong. Like, you can't say that you're gonna stay home because I can't trust you. You can't stop her from earning money because he's got trust issues. What's it gonna be like when she goes to America? Will she be like, you can't work because I don't trust you, you might find another American guy? So.
Yeah, she's smart because she's thinking you want to provide for both. Not that you want to provide for both of you,
wanna help.
but yeah,
Contribute.
you want to help. Right. He doesn't have any savings.
How
He
can they
needs
afford the visa, the air tickets?
True.
Oh, it's not cheap.
It's not.
It's not cheap.
It's not cheap.
The ring?
The ring? My gosh,
Yeah.
ring can be expensive. Dang. The wedding?
He should want you to work.
Yeah.
Yeah, definitely.
You guys should talk about it
Talk to
and, you know, weigh the priorities in life. Like, he needs to trust you.
Yeah.
Can you imagine yourself just staying in the house because you're not allowed to go out and
Boring.
work? He forced me to go out sometimes. Go out, see your friends. From Bianx Arsua, I've known him for about 4 months now. The same way... Tagalog? Wait, let me translate this. The same way you met Dan, and we decided to finally meet each other personally. I'm a little bit scared. Well, that's normal for a first timer. But I'm comfortable, and I never doubt he'll do something bad. So, I should go, right? Yeah, if you know him really well, but you've known him for 4 months. Yeah, I think that's enough time.
Go where?
Meet him. Like us, we met somewhere.
Yeah. I wouldn't do it how we did it. I wouldn't give that advice. You want to go somewhere safe?
Thailand is safe.
Nah, but you're in another country. You want to go somewhere safe, so maybe he comes to your town. You first meet, like, just to catch up for a meal or a coffee, no expectations. Because what happens if it turns into disaster? You're stuck with a person for a week or 2 weeks, and
I didn't know I trusted you too much. Like, I went to another country just to see you.
Because I'm worth it.
You
So, yeah, meet him, but be careful and be smart about it.
I am thinking what to wear. Wear what you want to wear. How will I look? Look what you want to look. I was so chaka when I saw you the first time. I did not have like any special makeup on my face.
You look good.
Because I was traveling.
Yeah, you look good.
And yeah, I didn't care. I wore what? Like thin jumper and... What topic will I start the conversation with him so it won't be awkward? I think I will just go naturally.
It will flow.
Yeah.
If it's meant to flow, it will flow. And if it doesn't flow, then you might be in a bit of trouble.
It was awkward at first.
Yeah,
It's gonna be awkward at first. Like, it's gonna be your first time
because it's
seeing
crazy.
this person.
It is crazy.
It is. Like,
Meeting someone from another country is very crazy.
right. So it's gonna be really awkward at first, but again, it will just go naturally and it will be awkward.
In whatever direction it's meant to go.
Right. From Kami Chan, how to know if you're already in love with each other?
You just know.
Yeah, I was gonna say that.
You just know.
Yeah. You will know when you get there. Right?
Right.
From Chrissy Perucho, how do you guys deal with cultural differences? By the way, I love you, Rhaze. Thank you, love you too. So sweet. sweet. How do you deal with cultural differences?
Stay in a resort. for Rhaze, it was easy. She's very Western. She is. She's lived around the world. Other than eating food,
Rice every single day.
she's pretty good. She fits in really well to Western culture. You do.
I think for me it's very natural. Like when I'm in a different country, I can't say I'm a completely different person, but like, you know, I adapt and yeah.
And Australia's easier, I reckon, to adapt to.
It is, yeah.
Like, easy to get around, weather's good, people are nice.
Very nice, very polite, very kind.
Yeah, so it's not...
Most of them.
Not
all.
Not all.
From Diane the Penguin, what strengthens a long distance relationship? We already answered that. Communication and trust. What do you prefer? A jealous girlfriend or someone that is not jealous at all?
I think a little bit of jealousy is okay because it means, but only a little bit. Nothing too... I think getting jealous is natural to a certain extent. Not jealous, but with a touch of jealousy every now and again.
Did I get jealous at all? I don't.
No, you don't.
I don't, because there's really nothing.
Because I make it easy for her. True?
Yeah.
Okay.
We never had that issue. Right?
Yeah, so far so good.
Yeah. From Donna Clea Bastareche, she has 2 questions. This is Ask Dan as well. What's your first impression after seeing Rhaze?
In person or...
Maybe in person?
Or
Let's just say in person.
First impression? 2 words. Short and beautiful.
Aww.
She's extremely short.
I am.
But very beautiful. And nice. And sweet.
I got 2 words.
There's a couple extra ones. Let's chuck in there for you.
Number 2. Who said I love you first?
You did.
I did?
You did.
When?
You did.
When?
Just trust me, you did. I remember. You
Do
did,
you?
yeah.
You remember?
I remember you did.
Okay.
Okay.
Me?
Yeah.
From Emeluz, she has 4 questions there.
Oh my god.
Number 1, what was the first sentence that came to your mind when you saw Rhaze from the dating site?
Oh, it's really from YouTube, wasn't it?
Well, from the dating site, you don't even remember? I was not memorable. From the dating site.
I wouldn't remember the first.
You don't?
No, but I remember from YouTube when I saw...
Okay.
Yeah, it was like, oh my god, you're so beautiful. True?
Really?
Do you remember who it was?
Yeah, you told me that.
Yeah, that was probably along the lines of the first words.
Yeah.
The first 5 minutes of conversation.
Number 2, what was the first sentence you told Rhaze on your first meeting?
Oh my god, how short are you? It would have been. It would have been when I saw you. It would have been on my
I don't remember, but yeah.
Yeah.
Yeah, I think you said that. You're so short, something like that.
Yeah.
Is there any hate comments from her channel that you almost wanted to answer back? He doesn't get a chance to respond because I delete hate comments, especially if it's about us. He doesn't deserve it. You
I don't care.
Yeah, you don't care,
doesn't-
but it's my channel, not yours. So hate on me, not on him.
Now, there's no hate comments that I really like eat me to respond. So
Yeah, because most of it are just like really rude, but not true. They just comment rude comments just for the sake of, you know, commenting.
And you're gonna always get trolls on the internet, so you can't take it seriously. And some people are just negative and haters, so it's not worth commenting a lot of the time.
Right.
Because a lot of the time they want you to comment just to start an argument or get a you know a response out of you. So sometimes the best thing is to not to comment and delete their ass.
What was the most... See, I do not know how to translate kilig. What is kilig though? Giggles? It's a very Tagalog word. I can't. From Evel 3. Oh, I don't want to read that.
Yes.
Really?
Yeah.
From Hannah Fe Polanco, hi Miss Rhaze and Mr. Bear. I would like to know your opinion about parents who does not approve on their daughter's son's partner. We've been together for 7 long years and my siblings know him, but my parents are not really 100% okay with him. I mean, yeah, they know him, but he's not really welcome in our home. But on my boyfriend's family, they treat me like a princess. That's great. What do you think I should do best? Do I or we still need to work things out, or do we have to stop it? We are in the right age already, 25. It's just that we both love our parents so much and we value them. Filipino culture.
I reckon they're at the right age, they can make their own decisions. They don't need their parents to say who they can go out with. If they love the person and they want to go out with them, they should. If it doesn't work out, it doesn't work out. But the parents should just love them, support them, and not interfere with their life. They're 25 years old, they can make their own decisions.
I'm 25. I made my own decisions since I was 15. Your parents gotta trust you. It's not that you're going out with a freaking like criminal or something. I don't think he is. You've been together for 7 long years.
You can't be too bad if you've been together for 7 years.
Yeah. From Helen Grace Dalog, are you okay with me leaving? temporarily.
Of course. Whereas going back to the Philippines is great. She gets to spend her birthday with her family. She'll spend Christmas with her family. Next year her sister's going to New Zealand. So this might be last time for a while they're all together. So no, it's great that she's going back. And only be for a short term. For a short term as well.
Hopefully. From Honey Christelle, they said age doesn't matter, but why do people judge or think it's weird if you're dating someone who's like 20 plus older or younger than you?
Age doesn't matter as long as you're happy.
As long as you're genuinely happy.
You're genuinely happy. You could be at the age where he or she doesn't want to have kids because, you know, they're too old, they've been there, done that in their past, or, you know, they're going to probably die a bit earlier than you, so you're going to be, it's true.
Yeah.
But if you don't, you know, if you don't mind that and you can accept that and you're generally happy in the moment, then
why not?
Enjoy it.
Right. Yeah. Age doesn't matter for me. Like, if you're really in love with someone, then go for it.
I'm not that much older than Rhaze.
He's not.
8 years.
You're not old, babe.
Yeah.
So you're
I'm
good.
not old.
Personally, I cannot see myself going for someone 20 plus years older than me because I want kids. I don't think they will be capable of giving me kids if they're that old. You know?
I'm the same. I wouldn't go for someone older, like in their 40s or 50s, because I want kids as well. So for my life, an older woman doesn't make sense.
That's for me personally. But if I see like a couple is really in love and their age gap is like, I don't care.
They're
it's
happy.
your life.
Who cares? It's they choose to be with each other.
Sure.
Doesn't matter what anyone else thinks.
Next question is from Profanity. Dan, what aspect of Filipinos do you find the most endearing?
That's a tough one.
Is it?
How long was I in the Philippines for? I was in the Philippines 3 weeks, and at least 2 of that I was shitting myself because it was so scary. It's a scary place.
It is. I'm scared and I'm from there.
But I think Filipinos in general are kind, generous people.
Also, what do you both love and dislike about one another?
Rhaze is crazy. You don't know this, but she is crazy.
I am crazy.
She has her moment. I'm annoying, so she hates that about me.
Yeah, he's really annoying and I do not like the way he eats. Just don't.
Show them how I eat.
You just shove everything in his face. I will use 2 fingers to eat. He will use all his fingers. He calls me a crab because I literally just use this. Except if I use my hands to eat. I don't use my hands to eat here. Like in the Philippines, we use bare hands to eat. Well, not all of us, but you know, sometimes. And it's good to use that. It's really actually yummers, babe. If I pick something and put it in my mouth, I use just these 2 fingers and he will call me a crab.
And I'm a shovel. I just like grab it.
And not just 1. 2 hands, so 10 fingers. Yeah, and I don't like it. But I'm getting used to it. We eat dinner every night together, so I'm used to it.
What was the next one? There was 2 parts. That was 1.
Love. What do you love the most about each other? He's really patient. I'm really crazy and he's really, really patient. I feel bad sometimes. I'm so mean sometimes.
What I love about you? No.
Cooking.
No, not cooking. No, you're a beautiful person, inside and out.
Really?
Really. I love everything about Rhaze, even a crazy moment.
Woo, babe. From Ia Valenzuela, what is it like to date a YouTuber?
It's fine. I don't love social media. I don't love your life being put out there. I like to keep stuff private.
There's so many stuff that I keep private though. Like, there's so many things that you guys do not know. I choose what to put out there because I also think of him. He doesn't have social media at all.
But it's good. Like, it's keeping her busy while she's in Australia.
And I love doing this.
Yeah, she loves doing it.
And he's very supportive.
Yeah, it's good.
Jonna Egot, I need your advice. I have a boyfriend that I love so much and I feel like he loves me too. Here we go with the translation again. This is all Tagalog.
Blah, 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 blah.
But he's married and they have kids. Or kid. They have a kid. My former boyfriend that I don't love because he hurts me physically. But he still loves me. What should I do? To love someone that I should not love because he's married? Or to try and love someone that I don't love?
That hurts you.
No, that's a no-no.
That's a no-no.
If he hurts you physically, no way. Like, he doesn't love you. He hurts you.
He's crazy.
You think you have... Oh, this is for you, by the way. Go ahead. I was gonna say, you think you have 2 options. You don't. There's so many...
There's 6 billion people in this world.
Exactly.
There's not just 2. So your first option, the guy that hits you forget it. He's no good. Married one, if he's married and he lives with his wife and kids and everything, that's also probably a no-no as well.
Yeah, no.
No.
From Carlene Laksamana, is it okay to be friends with an ex? Would you allow your girlfriend to stay close friends, communicate with any of her exes?
Probably.
I won't. No.
Okay.
You will allow me to talk to my ex?
Depends on the ex and the situation. You could have a friendship with an ex. I think it's possible.
Yeah, I can see that. No, that's not okay with me.
Okay.
From Crizel Di Castro, she said we're a perfect couple. We're not.
No one's perfect.
And she said because of us, she believes in forever.
Forever is possible.
Yeah.